Okay.
This is the squash, which I've dug holes into. And I am going to throw that in there. Then I am going to get a, no, I'm going to do this. This is millet, amaranth, and quinoa, cooked in organic vegetable juice. That goes in there. Here, I'll move this over here. I want to focus on the food, honey. There. So the squash is inside there with the millet, amaranth. Just mush it about like that, get it mixed up. And in here we have, everything's organic, mushrooms, garlic, red, green, and yellow peppers, celery, and onions, sauteed in organic oil. What kind of oil did I use? I remember it wasn't olive. It was there. So there's what it looks like. Now we mix that all up. This is for the vegan people at today's Thanksgiving dinner. Okay, you can turn it off for a sec, huh, until I mix it up.